If you're looking for a Class A gas motorhome that's equally comfortable at a luxury RV resort or miles away from the nearest hookup, this 2022 Winnebago Adventurer 29B deserves a closer look. Finished in the stunning Nightshade full body paint and riding on the dependable Ford F53 chassis with the 7.3-liter V8 engine, this coach has been thoughtfully upgraded with an impressive off-grid power system that makes extended travel easier than ever. Stepping inside, you'll immediately notice how the full-wall slide transforms the interior into a bright, open living space. The living area is designed for both relaxing and entertaining. The benchmark dinette features a high-low table for dining, working, or additional sleeping space, while the powered studio loft bed above the cab quickly creates another comfortable sleeping area with an impressive 600-pound capacity. The kitchen is thoughtfully designed for life on the road, featuring durable Corian countertops, generous cabinet storage, and plenty of workspace for preparing meals. Whether you're making a quick breakfast before hitting the road or cooking dinner at camp, this galley offers the functionality and residential feel to make every meal more enjoyable. Moving toward the rear, you'll find a comfortable queen bed with overhead storage and nearby wardrobe space to keep your essentials organized while traveling. The full bathroom offers a spacious shower, generous counter space, and convenient storage, giving you the comfort and functionality of home wherever your travels take you. Now let's head back outside and take a look at what truly sets this Adventurer apart. The seller invested in a professionally installed FlexArmor roof system for long-term durability and peace of mind. Powering your adventures is an incredible off-grid setup featuring 300 watts of solar, dual 100 amp-hour battle-born lithium batteries, a Renogy 2000-watt pure sine wave inverter, a progressive dynamics lithium charger, and a Victron SmartShunt battery monitor that lets you keep track of your battery status in real time. Whether you're camping off the grid or traveling between destinations, this system is built to keep you powered up. You'll also appreciate the Onan 5500-watt gas generator, automatic hydraulic leveling jacks, dual-pane thermo windows, and 145 cubic feet of exterior storage for all your camping gear. This 2022 Winnebago Adventurer 29B combines premium comfort, dependable Ford performance, and an exceptional off-grid power system that's ready for your next adventure. To view all the photos, see the MSRP, and complete details of this stunning motorhome, click the link in the description below.